Hello everyone. We just got down and took a piece of the clay out, and we do have a bunch of roots inside. Check that out. Alright, we're still looking at this root problem here. It's getting more apparent that this one. And we're taking it out. Alright, now let's see what we have. Look at this bad boy. That's nice. Let's see, what else can we find in here? Oh yeah. Look at this one. Nice. Yeah, stingles. Look at that. Now that looks better. Alright, we cut that piece off. We cleared that area. We removed the first piece. Look at this, guys. This whole thing is inside the pipe. So, this thing was really bad. So we're going to be pulling over as we go back up to the house. All right, let's see what else we can find. And I'm pulling these things up with this breaker bar. Yep, just like that. So this is where we're at right now. This thing dug out. Making my way back. Alright guys, looks like we got everything tied in with this new ABS pipe. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but we're going to test it out and see if it works.